Holy cow. Camp Buell got flooded. There's the Frisbee golf course. Jeez. I've never been at it today, eh? It's crazy.
Yeah, is that a picnic table right there?
Yeah, I think that's a picnic table. Wait, no, that's a water fountain. Wait, no, yeah, that's a picnic table. Coming up on the water's bank. That's pretty deep. All the rain we had in the past month did all this.
That's not a picnic table. That's the pad for the Frisbee golf, you know.
Oh yeah, it is. I was talking about over there. There's a picnic table, probably. Scary. Just imagine what could happen in a couple of months of just heavy rain. Look, there's another Frisbee golf pad right there. A couple months, probably be about up to that tree. I don't know. Pretty scary.